Okay, before I begin, I want to say sorry for the background noise. My window's open. This is the unboxing of Gary. I already opened it a little bit to see what it is. I got it on eBay. A little bigger than I thought. We'll compare it to SpongeBob in a minute. SpongeBob plastic. Okay, got it out. Here's Patrick. A little bit bigger, but that's okay. I'll use it in my SpongeBob series. Still it's great to have as a collector's item. Says Disney. Apparently it's made by the Disney company, even though it's Nickelodeon. I don't know why. I don't understand why it's made by Disney, but yeah, that's my new addition to the SpongeBob series.